What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. How to make an extra 36,500 per year? That is the question today, and I'm going to answer it. Now, whenever I make these videos, I know a lot of you think, oh, you're saying it, it sounds so simple. Obviously, it's not that simple, but it's also not as hard as you think. So to start off with, an extra $10 a day will make you $3,650 per year. An extra $20 a day will make you $7,300 a year. An extra $50 a day will make you 18,000 and a little bit more per year. You see what I'm getting onto here. An extra $100 a day will make you an extra 36,500 per year. Now, you're going to need to start small. You're going to need consistency. And you're eventually going to need to scale up. And obviously, whatever it is you use, your idea or a product, whatever, you have to multiply it eventually. But just start small. $10 a day. Again, if you want ideas, I've had them in my previous videos. Go and check them out. But I'll give you some examples. Stuff like mowing lawns. Again, $10 a day. Obviously, mowing lawns, you're not going to do $10 a day. But, let's say selling bracelets then. $10 a day. You can sell one bracelet every single day. You can. And if you want to sell one every day, then double the price and then sell one every other day. $20 a day. What can you do for an extra $20 a day? Go to the park, local park, sell some sweets, sell some muffins, sell random, ice creams. I don't know. Just for an extra $20 a day. Again, if you don't want to sell every single day, double the price or double what you're going to bring in and do it once every other day. An extra $50 a day. Now you're going to have to probably, do something like mowing lawns or, plucking weeds, tidying up people's gardens, things like that. But it is possible. And now an extra $100 a day, which is going to bring you your 36,500 per year. This is extra, by the way, on top of anything else you do, whether that's working, school, studying, teaching, whatever it is. $100 a day. You can mow lawns and scale up. You can sell a product. You can sell sweets and scale up. You can go and do garden work, scale up. But the most important thing is you find a way to make that $100 every single day. If you do want that 36,500 a year, you will need to make sure you stay consistent. It's no good making $100 a day, the rest of the week making nothing. $100 every single day is going to bring you the 36,500 a year. But when we say every single day, that does mean 365 days in the year. So it really is every single day. And like I said before, if you don't want to do that, make $200. And make that $200 every other day. But you have to do it. Ignore what people say. People hate on you. People don't think you can do it. People don't think you're going to be successful. Ignore all of that. You can do it. Put your mind to it. Find a way. And once you start doing it and it's working and it's successful for you, you're going to continue to do it. You're going to want to do it more. You're going to want to scale up. If you're doing, let's say, individual coaching, you're going to want to take more clients in. You're going to want to charge more. You're going to want to have to, maybe start a camp. You're going to want to make them, sign up for, let's say, 10 or 15 sessions. But it is possible, guys. It really is. You just have to open your mind to it. And again, if you need other ideas, check out my channel. This is why I'm here to help you. One person every single day. That's what the money management was made for. And that's what I've got to do. But you guys have to put in the work. I have the ideas. You guys have to execute them. I execute them. So you should too. I'm talking about brands. I have my watch brand here. And by the way, we have a 30% sale on for the next 3 days. Go check that out. TangeWatches.com. Link is in the description. Again, that's how I can make money. If you want to make money off that, you can either, message me to find out how to do that. Or you can even sign up to make money from my own watches.